My name is Illia Skliar. I was born in Antratsyt and moved to Kharkiv in 2016 to enter the university. Growing up as a very creative teenager, I always tried to do something new. In mid-school, I was frequently on stage. I always feel like I'm in the moment and it always brings me some warm feeling inside. My initial goal was to be a web designer, but then after second thoughts, the decision was to go and learn programming. I joined Kharkiv National Karazin University in 2016, the faculty of mathematics and informatics, to learn programming there. In my fourth year of education, during my university years, I was super active and had a lot of friends. And a lot of friends were already working at Intego. And even my best friend, he finished this university program of Intego group and already was employed there. But I never thought that I will be a part of this company. But one day I was having fun with my friends at university, and Kirill Holobrodsky was given an introduction lecture about Intego Karazin University program in biostatistics. So we decided to go there and just listen, why not? And Kirill's speech was very clear about this company, what are they doing and who they need. And I heard everything I wanted to hear from him. Here I'm working at Intego Clinical for almost over 4 years and have risen to the position of senior statistical programmer. Most unforgettable moment for me is attending the PHUSE conference. It was my first scientific conference and my first performance on stage since 2-year break. So for me it was a huge moral vacation, I think. The highlight of it was meeting other people who are professionals in your field, walking from one company booth to another and just having conversation with people and making connections with them. I think this was the most rewarding part of the experience.